Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Baba Tutorials. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Hey, guys, you know what? I have been using this Excel again, and then I suddenly see when I copy and paste something, I see this annoying box which is appear on the screen every time, which says CTRL and then give me some paste options. I don't like this. It's kind of annoying to me every time I just paste something on the screen. So how do I get rid of it? Because sometimes it covers up the value which is next to the cell. So such as if I want to paste something on the cell, just bottom of it, I paste here and then it's just trying to cover the values. See, which is next to it. So it's annoying to me. How do I remove it? Let me show it to you. Go to the file option top left side. Let me go to there again. Top left side, file option. Click on more. Click on the label name options and then click on advanced, scroll down, it says cut, copy and paste. It's a show paste options button when content is pasted. So just click on it and then click on OK. Now if you're gonna see copy and paste, there's no dialog box anymore, there's no option such as. So I hope you guys like the video and then it did help you somewhere. Then please click on like button. That's it. Thank you for your time. We'll see you in the next fix. Wonderful day.